What's up? I am sweating. I was just outside with Jake. Jake is panting. And we got a whole bunch of jerky. Because you know I like to jerky. We like meat. Kristen, thank you so much. This is very kind. Beef jerky is overpriced, but we do love it. So I think I'll probably tap into some wild boar first, and then we'll do tastings of the liquored flavored jerky, and we'll get the dogs involved. Top of the doobity. Want the bear head in there? Damn straight wanted that bear head in there. I'm nibbling on boar. Gotta be boar, right? Wild boar. It was delicious. Quality jerky. Man, that's good. Man, that's really good. Thank you, Kristen. Man, quality food, you just don't need a lot of it. It's so satisfying. Wow. This is for the dog jerky. It's beef jerky for dogs. Gosh, looks incredible. All right, let's go get some dogs. Who's excited? Let's go into the studio. Boys, everybody sit. Good boy. Freddie, sit. No. You sit. All right. Hold on. Look at this. Ooh. All right. Alrighty, here we go. You guys are going to have to chew this. This is quality jerky from Kristen out in Hollywood. Remember Pickles? That cute little B word. Is it good? Are you guys chewing it or just swallowing it? Those are little pieces. Little pieces. Here, we'll give you a bigger piece. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Freddie. Hold on, let's get this to Freddie. Yummies? Good job. Look at those lips. Lick those lips. Oh, licky, licky, licky. Licky, licky, licky. What about those two in the back? This one's for Jake. Jake, look up. Okay. Buster. Owen's like, wait, do I eat his jerky or do I wait for more jerky? Owen, it's right here, buddy. Can everybody say thank you, Kristen? Say thank you, Kristen. Yummies. Are you just eating anything off the floor, Freddie? Thank you, Kristen. Thank you, Kristen. Thank you, Kristen. Freddie. Thank you, Kristen. Lick those lips. Owie. Lick, lick, lick. Lick, lick, lick. Lick your lips. Alrighty, so I'm going to try the draft ale next. And we're going to try not to spoil our dinner, but spoiler alert, this is my dinner. Trying to eat less these days because I'm a bit of a fat piggy. And it's, well, when you talk about my emotional bankruptcy, do we? But, alright, so we're getting into this pretty package. Oh, look at the shine. Smells good, makes me want some beer. Looky in here. The boys are circling like hyenas on the African savannah. I love beef jerky. Man, doesn't really taste like beer, but it makes you want a beer. One more. Oh. Man, it's good. Ooh. Juicy. Thank you, Kristen. Should I try another piece?